Beautiful and high-converting websites and pages for any offer or niche using just a keyword. Create stunning, industry-standard websites that your audience loves with zero grunt work. Create unlimited, fully functional websites in any niche instantly. Create unlimited pages per website with no limits. Get over 200 plus ready-made responsive websites and templates. Connect unlimited custom domains. Built-in AI to replace your template contents. Advanced drag-and-drop builder for moving elements. Attach forms on your website to drive more leads and sales. Monetize easily using ads on your websites and pages. Built-in analytics to analyze performance and take corrective actions. Get ultra-fast performance and page load speed. Download and save all leads to maximize commissions. Hands down. Export your websites and upload to your server in a flash. Translate sites into any language using multi-language support. Create 100% responsive pages for all devices. Easy to use. Technology that's never seen before. Hurry this limited time upgrade and soon launch exclusive. Pay $57/m, $57 one time today. Get page builder upgrade today. Hurry. Price rises in creating stunning websites and pages that convert visitors to customers is a must for every business owner for 2023 and beyond. There's no second thought in the fact that irrespective of which niche you operate, what your target audience is, or what's the scale of your business operations, creating fully functional websites and attention-grabbing landing pages is the #1 priority for business owners across the globe. Whether you are an industry pro or just starting out, you must include stunning landing pages in your marketing campaigns to take your business to the next level. Now you have two options. 1. Hire freelancers who charge like crazy, or go to third-party platforms that are too complex and can't be used easily. 2. Doing this yourself 24/7 is going to take a lot of your time and can be extremely painful. I'm sure you don't know how to create landing pages yourself nor have that kind of money to spend, and this is why you're completely stuck. See what top website creation platforms charge each month to their clients. Webflow, $235/m. Squarespace, $45/m. Weebly, $38/m. Wix, $35/m. BigCommerce, $29/m. Web.com, $15/m. And if you think hiring freelancers is easy, see the crazy amounts they charge for creating a single website with limited functionalities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's why top 86% business owners are forced to pay huge money monthly to third-party platforms and freelancers to create websites and landing pages for their offers. Yep, sounds hard, but it's completely true. Today, thousands of business owners, whether big or small, are falling prey to this big hole in the digital marketing domain and are forced to pay thousands of dollars to these expensive third-party platforms with no guarantee of results whatsoever. Now, I know you're feeling worried and looking for a solution to overcome these issues, right? After reading all these mind-blowing facts and figures about third-party website creation or design platforms, it is obvious that you've started biting your nails in anticipation. How you can somehow get a complete solution for something like this. Even when we started our journey, we had to pay tons of dollars, and even then, we couldn't get a bankable solution that took us out of all these issues. That's why we worked our heart and soul, and after continuous brainstorming sessions, we're proud to mention that we've created an all-in-one solution to overcome this problem once and for all. Presenting Flowomatic Page Builder Upgrade. Here's why 98% business owners got access to this premium upgrade. Premium Feature 1. Create unlimited, fully functional websites in any niche instantly. Now, creating unlimited, fully functional websites for any offer and in any niche becomes an instant reality. Premium Feature 2. Create unlimited pages per website with no limits. Unlike the previous upgrade that had some limitations, we're offering the power inside Page Builder Upgrade to create unlimited pages per website with no limits at all. Premium Feature 3. Get over 200 plus ready-made responsive websites and templates. Use these premium, industry standard and responsive templates to create even better websites and landing pages like never before. Premium Feature 4. Connect unlimited custom domains. With this exclusive upgrade, connecting unlimited custom domains and boosting your brand building efforts is a complete reality now. Premium Feature 5. Built-in AI to replace your template contents. Go beyond the normal and use our built-in AI feature to replace your existing template content and create eye-catching content that gets customers hooked for extended durations. Premium Feature 6. Advanced Drag and Drop Builder for moving elements. Using this advanced drag and drop builder, anyone can easily move elements in the builder by dragging and dropping them where you want them to appear. Premium Feature 7. Monetize easily using ads on your websites and pages. Now that's what we call monetization to the next level. Just paste ad codes into integrated ad slots in admin panel and page builder will display them automatically. Premium Feature 8. Built-in analytics to analyze performance and take corrective actions. Google Analytics are integrated right into admin panel so you don't need to open a separate page to see how your site is doing. Premium Feature 9. Get ultra-fast performance and page load speed. Our technology is lightweight and has lightning fast performance and page load time out of the box for each website and sales page created. Premium Feature 10. Download and save all leads to maximize commissions. Hands down with this upgrade, downloading and saving leads to maximize commissions with no third-party dependency becomes a reality. Premium Feature 11. Export your websites and upload to your server in a flash. This is something that we've never offered before. For anyone who gets this upgrade, exporting websites and uploading to their server becomes easily achievable. Premium Feature 12. Translate sites into any language using multi-language support. Site can be easily translated from admin panel. It also has multi-language support that helps business owners to achieve their objectives in a hands-down manner. Premium Feature 13. Create 100% responsive pages for all devices. Our technology is fully responsive and works smoothly on desktop, mobile, tablet and other devices. Premium Feature 14. Easy-to-use technology that's never seen before. This premium, easy-to-use technology is something that helps business owners achieve their objectives in a cost-effective manner. Act now and get these premium bonuses with this one-time upgrade today. Bonus number 1. Messenger Suite. Value, $1,697. Retarget your customers on Facebook Messenger, AD cost free. Asterisk increase your sales with automatic abandoned carts reminders on Facebook Messenger. Target and engage your customers on Messenger to increase conversion and retention rates. Automate your marketing workflow with automatic retargeting. Asterisk automatically send out reminders to recover abandoned carts. Over 70% asterisk of shopping baskets will never ever make it to checkout. Hurry, this limited time upgrade ends soon. Launch exclusive pay. $57/m. $57 one time today. Get this exclusive upgrade today. Hurry. Price rises in. Grab this exclusive page builder upgrade for risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. Grab this exclusive page builder upgrade for risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. We are completely confident that our premium technology will meet your expectations and help fuel your growth prospects in the long run. If you think you are not getting the expected results from your purchase, hit us up and we'll happily refund every single penny invested in us. Take our amazing technology for a 30-day spin, and even if you don't have a smile on your face, get in touch with us and we'll give your money back with no questions asked. Here's everything you get inside this exclusive upgrade today. Drag and drop AI website builder. Create unlimited, fully functional websites in any niche. Create unlimited pages per website with no limits. Get over 200 plus ready-made responsive websites and templates. Connect unlimited custom domains. Built-in AI to replace your template contents. Advanced drag and drop builder for moving elements. Monetize easily using ads on your websites and pages. Built-in analytics to analyze performance. Get ultra-fast performance and page load speed. Download and save all leads to maximize commissions. Export your websites and upload to your server in a flash. Translate sites into any language using multi-language support. Create 100% responsive pages for all devices. Easy to use technology that's never seen before. Premium bonus 1. Messenger